And for making it, we need a plastic. We need a transparent plastic like this, and we need a scale which has numbers on it like this, and we need a pencil and a rubber. The eraser also need a glue. Also use glue actually, like I am using. And we need a cutter to cut it. And of course a cardboard. You can use boxes of pizza also. So let's make it quickly. First we have to draw measurement lines on the cardboard, then you have to cut it out like this. So you can choose all the lines are 7 centimeters like this, and these lines are 4.5 centimeters. Now I am completed making lines. Now let's cut them out. I am done writing the lines. You can see here. Now we have to cut them out. So for cutting it, we need a blade like this. We need our older brother or sister to help us because the blade is very sharp. It can cut your finger. So friends, now let's cut this. So friends, I'm done cutting these. Now let's take the pieces out like this and like this. Let's take them. Now let's take them out. Friends, these are a little bit hard to take out. So we can also do this. We can put our hand under and push it out. Now let's take the other pieces. Let's take these big pieces out. So friends, these pieces are out. Now let's take this one. Okay. So friends, I'm done taking all of the pieces. So friends, now let's take all of them out together. So these are the pieces. So friends, I cut this part so my house can be more beautiful. Now you have to cut it really carefully because when you cut the plastic can cut your hands or your fingers. So be really careful. And you can also mark where did you start. I have done cutting them out. Now let's paste them. This one will go here on here, and this one will go over here, and this one will go over here. Let's stick them with the glue actually. You can also use the simple glue. Now let's put them on. So friends, now let's glue them. Friends, then you have to rub it like this. Then you have to stick this. Now left this plastic to dry. So friends, I also have done these two. Now let's rub them so we can stick them. Now let's take this one here and this one here. Now leave these plastic to dry, and after these dry, we will fold the house. So friends, these plastics are dry. Now we have to glue this house like this. Have to glue like this and the back side, then it will come like this. Then it will be like this, and you can also see inside the house because these plastics are clear. Let's take it. Friends, I glued this house like this. Now we have to glue it from here. Friends, my house is done, and I also put this thing on the top, this chimney on the top, so then gas can come out of it and it will look more fantastic. And if we put this plastic here, it really looks like this is glass, and we can see what is inside it. Look inside. This is my house, and you can see light inside it. It looks like it's a big lamp inside it. You can see inside because there's a clear plastic, and there's this thing also, and then gas will come out of it. So if you like my project, subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up and click the bell icon. Okay, bye bye.